Welcome to Drip Made Easy. I'm Ashley.
And I'm Matt.
Today we'll be explaining some of the benefits that you get from drip irrigation and how easy it really is.
Drip irrigation is the green alternative in watering. It's green because it conserves water. It saves time and money, and it maintains your plants healthy as well as green.
A lot of people are intimidated by drip irrigation, and you don't need to be. All you need to know is two things: your water source and what you're going to water.
Right. And drip can be divided into four simple categories: your water source products, your emitters, those things that spray and actually provide the water to the plant, your tubings and fittings, and just the side accessories like stakes and tools. So, Ashley, what's the first step when you're shopping for a drip irrigation product or system?
Identify your source, where
Right.
your water's coming from.
Okay, so there's three simple sources. You've got an existing underground system, you've got your potential hose adapter coming out of your house, or an irrigation valve in those big green boxes. From here, let's show them how to create a simple drip system.
Okay.
To start, make sure you identify your water source. If you're coming off an existing underground system, you should use a manifold that slips on top of a riser or an existing sprinkler once you've taken the spray head off, and the simple 1/4-inch tubing comes out of each port. If you're coming out of a hose faucet, something like this works great. It's a hose faucet adapter, 3-in-1, with a pressure regulator, a filter, and drip tubing adapter right at the end. If you're coming out of an irrigation box, you probably want to use a 4-in-1. You've got your low flow valve, you've got your filter, and your pressure regulator, as well as the drip tubing adapter, all in one piece. It's great. But let's actually pretend that we're starting from a hose faucet. So we take our 3-in-1 hose faucet adapter, it's screwed onto the faucet, and now we need to insert our tubing. All you have to do with the drip lock system, put the tubing in the hole and push. From that point, it's locked in place, and you've got nothing to worry about. Once you've done that and you've laid out your entire 1/2-inch line, you probably want to throw on an end cap so that you don't lose water out the other side of the tube. Again, the drip lock system, push, it's locked in place. So Ashley, from here, why don't you take this,
Okay.
and let's show really how easy it is. So we've got our main line. Now we want to take some 1/4-inch tubing out of the line directly to the plants.
Okay.
So we've pre-cut a piece of 1/4-inch tubing. Just took some simple cutters, snip, you can even use scissors, and you're ready to go. First thing you have to do is punch a hole in your main line. Take a little hole punch, push. You then need a barb adapter, a connector, that you slip into the hole. Slide the 1/4-inch tubing onto the barbed connector. And remember, it's that 1/4-inch tubing that takes the water from the main line to the individual plant. So at this point, at the end of that 1/4-inch tubing, you either want to put on a sprayer or a dripper. In this case, why don't we put on a sprayer?
Okay.
And all you do is take your 1/4-inch tubing, slide it onto the barbed side of the sprayer, just like that. You have that, you put it in the ground, and you're done. It's that easy.
Okay, what if you don't want to go through buying all these parts?
Right. There is one alternative, and that is simply purchasing an all-in-one kit. The only thing you need in addition to this is some 1/2-inch tubing, and you're ready to go.
Hopefully this has taken some of the fear out of the drip irrigation. It really is simple and the green alternative.
You can purchase any of these products at your local Lowe's, Home Depot, or Walmart.
Until next time, keep it green.